Welcome. In front of me is an INFINIX Hot 9, and today I'll show you how to copy contacts from your SIM card to the device. And to get started, simply open up the Contacts app. Oops. There we go. So Contacts app right over here. From there, tap on the three bars and go to the settings, choose import, and select your SIM card. Now, as you can see, my SIM card is located in the SIM slot 2. And that's the only one that I have in here. Now yours might be on the first one or second one. It just depends where you placed it. But you want to select it and tap on next. And you want to move it to your phone. Let's tap on next. And from here you will have all the contacts that are on the SIM card. So all you need to do is simply select them like so. And from there tap on OK to import them. And now if we go back, as you can see, we have several duplicates. But that is how you would copy your contacts. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.